The top 3 deadliest floods in the world. Number 3. 1935 Yangtze River Flood, China. The 1935 Yangtze River flood was another major flood event in China. Excessive rainfall caused the Yangtze River to overflow its banks, leading to widespread flooding. This disaster is estimated to have caused the deaths of around 145,000 to 231,000 people. Number 2. 1887 Yellow River Flood, China. The 1887 Yellow River Flood, also known as the Huanghe Flood, was another devastating event in China's history. Heavy rainfall and the failure of dikes on the Yellow River led to a massive flood. The disaster is estimated to have resulted in the deaths of approximately 900,000 to 2 million people. Number 1. 1931 China Floods. This catastrophic event is often considered one of the deadliest natural disasters in recorded history. It occurred primarily in China during the summer months of 1931, affecting several Chinese rivers, including the Yangtze River. The flood resulted from a combination of factors, including excessive rainfall and the overflowing of multiple rivers. It is estimated to have caused the deaths of between 1 million and 4 million people, as well as widespread devastation and displacement. Please do subscribe.